Now you imagine we are given this kind of expression. Fine. So here we can see a lot of operators are there. Okay, like A and A plus B, we could very easily say that AB plus will be the postfix expression, but here it is not going to be very easy. So first of all, in order to convert this kind of infix expression to equivalent postfix expression, what you need to do is, we need to first of all understand this chart. Look at this, what I did here. I wrote precedence level of the operator. Precedence level of the operator means hierarchy of the operator, how operators will get the preference. So it is said that exponent sign, that is if I have to calculate a to the power b, a square. So we can write this. This is exponent sign, right? So this exponent becomes the highest priority. He is in the topmost level. In the second level, in the same level, we have basically in the second level and in the same level we have asterisks and division. And in the bottommost level we have plus and minus. They are of the same level. Fine. So this precedence level of operator we have to remember. Fine. Now let's come back to this expression. We were trying to basically convert this infix expression to postfix. So in order to do that, first what we'll do, I've been given this expression. Fine. So at the very beginning, I will add one extra bracket at the beginning and at the end. Fine. And then I will index or I will number every symbol that you get to see here. Each symbol I will number. So if I start numbering them, it will be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8 and number 9. So we have altogether 9 symbols to go through one at a time, and then decide how the postfix expression will come. Fine. Now in order to do that, we will follow this chart. Remember this. Whenever you get this kind of problems, they will be normally giving you in CBSE this kind of one expression will be given in infix, and you have to find out its equivalent postfix expression. So what you have to do at first, you have to make 3 columns like this. Fine. You have to make 3 columns. One column is symbol scan, one is stack, another is expression. What is stack? Stack is basically we will use a stack to store things, to store the symbols. And symbol scan means you can easily make out. Symbol scan means at first time I will scan the symbol this. Second time I have A, so I will scan the symbol A. Like this, I will write all the symbols in serials. Now, when I scan these symbols, sometimes they will go, some of the items will go to stack and some of the items will go to the expression. At last step, at the end, whatever is the expression is looking like, that is your result. That means that is your equivalent postfix expression. So I will get the result from this column, finally. But the question is, who will go to stack and who will go to expression? I said, some of them will go to stack and some of them will go to expression. Fine. Now, who will go to stack and who will go to expression? First of all, if it is an opening of bracket, closing of bracket, fine, they will always go to the stack. Remember this. Opening of bracket, we can have more than one opening bracket. For example, if I write A plus B divided by C, fine. Again, opening D 2 plus 3. We can always have like this. So we can have more than one opening brackets. So all the opening brackets basically will go to stack. Fine. Now what happens to the closing brackets? Closing bracket, remember, we do not put it in the stack. The moment one closing bracket comes, we cancel one opening of bracket. Fine. I will just come to these steps because so many things if I verbally tell you, you will not be able to follow. Just see what I am doing. So remember, opening of bracket will always go to stack and a closing bracket cancels one opening of bracket. Remember only this much for time being. Now what will happen to the operands like A, B, C, D's? If it is an operand, they will always go to the expression. If it is an operand, they will always go to the expression. Straight away they will go to the expression. But if it is an operator like plus, minus, slash or exponent sign, if it is an operator, then in some case they will go to stack. Mostly they will go to stack. But some cases we will see they are going to the expression also. I said if it is an operator, mostly they will go to stack, but in some cases they will go to expressions. So that we need to know when it goes to stack and when it goes to expression. The moment we understand how to deal with the operators, we learn the whole thing. Now look at this very carefully. What happens? For example, here, fine, in the third step, first of all I will scan the symbol opening of bracket. So opening of bracket will be in the stack. So now we imagine if I draw the stack, it is looking like this. This is my first cell, this is my second cell, this is my third cell, and so on. Fine. So imagine I put my opening of bracket in the 0th cell because it has to enter like this in the stack. Next I scanned symbol A. The symbol A will go to the expression straight away, no problem. Now comes a plus sign. What will happen to the plus? Now here in this step also stack remains same only. I did not do any change because A has come, I just put A into the expression. Now comes plus sign. Now this plus sign will go where? This plus sign will go to the stack. Now there is a rule involved in this. How did I confidently put plus here? Why not here? Okay. The rule is normally beside one opening of bracket, plus can sit. Beside plus, say at this stage my stack was looking like this. Fine. I had this and I had this. Or I can say my stack was looking like this in a very simple way. Now at this stage, imagine I was trying to scan an item asterisk. So where this asterisk will go? Where this asterisk will go? Will this asterisk will go to this stack or will it go to the expression? Here the rule is that in a stack, beside one plus, one asterisk can sit, and beside one asterisk, one exponent can sit. Why? Because the rule is whichever operator is sitting there, he has to be in the higher precedence level operator than the one on its left. So look at this, the asterisk is in the higher precedence level operator than plus. That's why he can sit on the right hand side. Similarly, exponent sign, he is again in the higher precedence level than asterisk. So he can go further right. Fine. But this is not permitted. What is not permitted? Like you have a star, okay? And you want to use the minus sign, that is not done. That is not permitted. That means this operator cannot be in lower precedence level operator than its left. Okay? Or even if it is plus and minus when in the same precedence level operator, that is also not permitted. In fact, by the same logic, this is also not permitted because they are in the same precedence level operator. Okay? So same precedence level operator cannot sit side by side, and an operator which is in the lower precedence level operator than its left one, that also cannot sit side by side. If you have to make them sit side by side, then the one you are going to put at last, that has to be in the higher precedence level operator than the one on its left. This rule we have to remember. So imagine we have a situation like this. This is perfectly alright. We have a situation like this in our stack. Fine. Now at that moment, what happened? One minus was trying to enter. One minus was scanned. Now I told you minus cannot sit here beside this. Then what will happen to minus? Then the rule is, look at this very carefully. Since minus was going to enter, minus will replace it. That means minus will sit here and asterisk will be removed from this. Asterisk will be asked to leave the stack. And where asterisk will go? That asterisk will go to the expression. So whenever a replacement happens, like it was like this, and I think the symbol scan was minus. So what will happen? We will show minus in the stack as if minus being the new symbol has entered, and the old symbol, that is asterisk, will be removed and it will go to the expression. Now listen to this very carefully. I am talking about a very complicated case. Imagine we have a situation like this, plus, and we have one asterisk. At that moment what happened? One minus was scanned. Now minus cannot sit beside him. We discussed that already. minus cannot sit beside this plus also because they are in the same precedence level operator. So where minus will go? Now what will happen in this case? Ultimately minus will come here and it will replace both of them. So in the stack it will look like only minus will sit. Fine. That means if we draw it like stack, it will look like this. And it will remove both of them. So if I draw this stack properly, it will look like this. It will look like this. We had the opening of bracket, then we had plus, and then we had asterisk. So in order for minus to come here, both of them have to be removed. Now we know pop always happens this way. First we have to take out this, then we have to take out this. So in order, star has to be taken out first, then we can take out plus. So if the order is star and plus, in the expression also, first will be star and then will be the plus. That means the order in which you remove items from here, in the same order they get placed in the expression. So basically what will happen here, if minus is being scanned, then minus will come here and it will replace both star, plus and star, because minus cannot sit beside either of them. So this is how we continue. So I hope you understood the basic of it. Now it will not be clear until I solve a complete problem. So in the next video I will take one expression like this and I will try to solve it. You see and follow me step by step.